Hey guys, how's it going? So in this video we are going to cover Curaleaf's earnings. Curaleaf is having earnings on May 18th at 6 after the market closes. So we're gonna cover it because a lot of people were talking about it in my YouTube channel, so I thought I'd make a video on it. So first of all, Curaleaf, if we look at the market cap, it's 5.39 billion. This is not for sure. I don't know what the market cap is. There is no there's no pure transparency when it comes to the amount of total shares that the company has. So, I mean, I had to do some digging around, but according to Google, there were $5.39 billion. This stock is pure manipulation from the exchange because there is not enough volume to justify a $5.39 billion market cap. So the exchange is manipulating on how they feel the stock price should be valued at. But right now, they valued the stock price at $5.39 billion. Aurora is valued at on the Canadian side is valued at 1.68 billion. So Curaleaf is already almost more than 2 times bigger than Aurora. Aurora at one point was way bigger than Curaleaf, but because of their poor execution and that Canada sucks, their evaluation got slashed big time, and now they're worth 1.68 billion because rich people pumped their stock on Friday. But yeah, so and then on the US side, Aurora is worth 1.24 billion. On the US side for Kira, it's probably somewhere roughly 4 billion, but I don't know. According to Yahoo, it's 3.911 billion on the Canadian side. I don't to me, I don't know, it makes no sense. But if we look at the volume for Curaleaf, it's pathetic. 331,000, 259,000, 178, and 541,000. Makes absolutely no sense. But there's also the US exchange, so you kind of have to add up both. US one, it's, if we look at it, it's, it's a little better. It's a little better. 866,000, 665, 380, and then 876. So way better trading volume on the US side than there is on the Canadian side. But it still doesn't justify the increase in stock price because, I just honestly think that there's also a little bit of manipulation going on here because, Kira has a huge dilutive amount of shares, and it makes no sense for Curaleaf to keep going up with the current share price. But again, that's my opinion because there's just not enough volume to justify the market cap, in my opinion. But again, my opinion. Anyways, let's move. So according to Canadian Security Exchange, they have 423,926 shares, or either that or 527,000. I think it's more than that. I think it's sitting around 600,000 shares, but I could be wrong. I don't know why I have this one up, but yeah, and I have this up again, a duplicate. So looking at the investor presentation, kind of bad because I'm looking at the April 22nd, 2020 investor relations, and I noticed that there's no market cap on this. There's absolutely no shares amount, no market cap on this current, on the current investor relations. I'm scrolling through it right now and I don't see it. I think the most important is to figure out what the valuation for Curaleaf is, and there's none. Wait, hold on, is this it? 14 total. No market cap. No market cap. It's kind of retarded in my opinion. They should clearly define what their current market cap is, but they don't. But then when you look on the acquisition front of this one was an acquisition of Selects, which right here they said that their market cap with the combined Cura and Select is $6 billion. And then they also acquired not too long ago, they acquired on July 2019, they acquired Grassroots, and they said that the market cap is just curaleaf and Grassroots combined is 4.5 billion. So issuing 108.8 million shares. So it's kind of all over the place, and I don't know exactly what Curaleaf's market cap is, but I'm assuming that it's roughly 5.39 billion. And the higher the stock price goes, the higher the market cap is. And we also look at the charting perspective. Curaleaf is very bullish right now. RSI is at 76. It's going up. I wouldn't be a buyer here. I'd be a buyer if the stock crashed again, because eventually the MACD will probably go back down to, back down here again. That's when I would be a buyer, not when the MACD and the RSI level is basically at 52-week high. So after earnings, we could see the stock go back to, $9, $10. But eventually, I think the stock price will go back down, and that's when it'll be a buying opportunity. Right now, I don't think Curaleaf is a buying opportunity, in my opinion. Sure, you can swing trade it, and it can keep going up, but eventually there will be profit taking, and the stock price will go back down. At least I hope it will. I don't know if it will, but the evaluation is, the price. If it is 5.39 billion. So if it goes up to like $9, it should be like a $7 or $8 billion company, a $6 billion company, which would be 4 or 5 times more than Aurora. So you guys can't compare Aurora to Cura. Cura is the king. Cura is making a ton of money, but you cannot compare Aurora to Cura. I'm expecting Cura to do at least $100 million, if not more. I think $125 million with some profits and some EBITDA profits, and Cura's Leaf's earnings is gonna be amazing. Period. The end. I mean, I don't have too much to say about it. Besides, I think it's gonna be very, very good. Anyways, that's it for my video. Wow, 8 minutes. I gotta make another 2-minute video. Well, yeah. So 900 and So I don't know if this is up to date, but 527 million shares, 527 times the current price of $8.32. According to this, it's 4.384 billion. Still not completely corrective, because I don't think they have 527 million shares. I think it's way more than that. But hey, comment down below. Tell me exactly how many shares they have, because the company is apparently not very transparent when it comes to the amount of shares. I mean, if they were transparent, they would have put it on the April 22nd, 2020 investor relations. They would have told us exactly how much the company's market cap is, but they don't have it, and it kind of pisses me off. I want to see the current market cap, but they don't show it. So, and that sucks. But they have some pretty sweet executives, like people from McDonald's, Home Depot, Nike, Kraft. So they have some pretty experienced executive. Procter & Gamble, so that's one I recognize. So companies' executives are awesome, and so I think Curaleaf, if you think long term, even if you buy at these prices, you're still probably gonna make money, especially if the United States become legal. I can see curaleaf being valued at a $10 billion company easily once United States become fully legal. But that's my opinion. I don't know for sure what the market's gonna value it when it can finally list on the New York Stock Exchange. Shares shorted on this is very, very low too, because shorting really happens over on the New York Stock Exchange, not the Canadian Security Exchange. So yeah, very, very low share shorting. April 15th they updated it. I wonder what Beyond Meat. I wonder if Beyond Meat got updated for the amount of shorts is happening right now. Damn it! They still haven't updated the shorts on Beyond Meat yet. That kind of sucks. I wanted to see the short position on it. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this content. Give me a thumbs up. It helps my channel grow. Subscribe for future updates, and have a great day. Bye.